Abongwe Mseleku opens up about her opinion when it comes to romantic relationships. So she posted this status, and it has a quote saying, "I pay attention to actions, not words. I heard what you said, but I see how you act." And then she goes ahead and comments and says, "People who believe words speak louder than actions worry me. 'Cause what?" And then she goes on to say, "You're telling me I can say I don't want to lose you, but treat you like you mean nothing, and you still believe I don't want to lose you for real. Nah, you're messed up, honestly, but as long as ni happy. Boma, I'm gonna do this for you instead of doing it. I botha angeke." She goes on to quote, "I'd stop the world for you, but you can't even stop for a few seconds and text back. We are cool. Boma, I will always be by your side, but the initiator of conversations in rooms where my name is spoken badly of, insane. And you'll still believe that those people love you for real, for real? Ngeke. That's just my opinion though. Y'all stay safe." So Abonga seems very opinionated, but you know what? I must say that I agree with her sentiment. Her next status, she says, "Karen White once said, 'cause I know I'd rather be alone." And that's basically a song that says, "I won't be a fool for you." Basically saying, because I know that I'd rather be alone than being unhappy. Hey guys, at this point, I think Melisi, I point to Abongwe to give relationship advice to Abu, my sister, because you know what? I agree with what she's saying. At times, you need to look at the words must match the actions must match the words, basically. So Abongwe shares her sentiments when it comes to relationships, and I just think that, you know what, if you really are watching this video and you are in a relationship where you feel like you're being taken for a ride, maybe like reread what she said and take some wisdom out of what she said. Anyway, guys, tell me, what do you think about Abonge's comments when it comes to romantic relationships? Please do make sure that you like this video. Please do make sure that you subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.